had no idea what my profits were, whether I was making any profit. I was always busy until you sort of opened my eyes to all that sort of stuff. I had no idea what was going on. Busy working, getting paid, paying the bills, and the rest of it was just in the background. So now it's sort of in the foreground now. So now I've started increasing prices, putting a lot more margins on materials.
Do what you've always done, or do something new.
Sort of narrow my focus down to and really concentrate on some things that I think there's a good opportunity in the market.